Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Sedatira Izan binti Muhammad Izani, or you guys can call me Izan. So today, our group would like to present to all of you about one of the molecule compound that exists in this world, that is phenol. Here are some of the table of content that we prepared for you guys. The first one, we have introduction, basically about what is phenol, and we have physical and chemical properties of phenol, and also its benefits and uses, and its benefit of uses to human, living organism, environment, and also industry. We have chemical reaction, and the last one we have conclusion. So guys, do you know what is phenol? Phenol is one of the molecule compound that exists in this world. It is also known as carbolic acid. In solid, phenol would be white crystalline color that is volatile and slightly acidic. Its molecule formula is C6H5 and OH, and its molecular mass is 94.11 gram per mole. The density for phenol is 1.07 gram per centimeter cube, and it is probably soluble in water or alcohol. There is 4 ways to prepare phenol. The first one is preparation of phenol from haloarin, and the second one is preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. The third one, preparation of phenol from diazonyl salt, and the last one, preparation of phenol from cumin. So let's move for the preparation. For the first preparation, it is preparation of phenol from haloarin. So basically, chlorobenzene is an example of a haloarin which is formed by the monosubstituent of the benzene ring. When chlorobenzene is fused with sodium hydroxide at 623 K and 320 atm, sodium phenoside is produced. Finally, sodium phenoside on acidification gives phenol. This is the first equation for the first preparation. So after that, for the second one, which is preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid can be obtained from benzene by reacting it with oleum. This benzene sulfonic acid can be treated with molten sodium hydroxide at high temperature to encourage the formation of sodium phenoside. Finally, sodium phenoside on acidification gives phenol. So this is the second equation for the second preparation. So for the next preparation, which is preparation of phenol from diazonyl salt, when an aromatic primary amine is treated with nitrous NaNO2 plus HCl acid at 273 until 278 K, diazonyl salt are obtained. These diazonyl salts are highly reactive in nature. Upon warming with water, this diazonyl salt finally hydrolyzed to phenol. So phenol can be also obtained from diazonyl salt by treating it with dilute acid. So this is the equation for the third preparation of phenol. And for the last preparation of phenol, we could be use cumin. So what is cumin? Cumin is an organic compound obtained by Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene with propylene. Upon oxidation of cumin, isopropyl benzene in the presence of air, cumin hydroperoxide is obtained. So upon further treatment of cumin hydroperoxide with dilute acid, so basically phenol are obtained. So this is the last equation for the last preparation of phenol. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next I will talk about physical and chemical properties of phenol. There are 4 physical properties that I will mention. Firstly, melting point of phenol is 40.5 degrees Celsius. Secondly, Boiling point of phenol is 181.6 degrees Celsius. It is useful to compare phenol's melting and boiling point with those methylbenzene, for example, toluene. Both molecules contain the same number of electrons and has a very similar shape. Thirdly, phenol is a colorless to white crystalline solid at room temperature. Upon exposure to air and light, it can become pinkish due to oxidation. Lastly, phenol is moderately soluble in water. About 8 grams of phenol will dissolve in 100 grams of water. If you try to dissolve more than this, you will get 2 layers of the liquid. The top layer is a solution of phenol in water, and the bottom is a solution of water in phenol. Phenol is somewhat soluble in water because of ability to form a hydrogen bonds with the water. Okay, let's move on to chemical properties. I also will mention 4 of chemical properties of phenol. Firstly, phenol, also known as carbolic acid, phenolic acid, or benzenol, is an aromatic organic compound with the molecular formula C6H5OH. Secondly, phenol's molar mass is 95.11 gram per mole. Third, the chemical structure. As the picture shown, this structure indicates a benzene ring with a hydroxyl group attached directly to the one of the carbon atoms in the ring. Lastly, the acidity of phenol is weak acid with pKa around 9.95.
Hi, I'm Iman. So let me continue with use and benefit of antibiotics. First and foremost, let's start with the use of a antibiotic. First, it's about a medical treatment. It's a bacterial infection. It's to treat a wide range of bacterial infections such as pneumonia, strep throats, urinary tract infection, and the last one is about skin infection. The second use of antibiotic is veterinary medicines. First is a livestock. Why? Because it used to prevent and treat infection in animals like cattle, poultry, and swine. It's improving overall health and productivity. The second one is a pet care. It's to treat bacterial infection in pets such as a dog and cats. So, the last but not least is about agriculture and aquaculture. It's crop protection. It's to use to treat a bacterial disease in a plant. The second one is a fish farming. It's to prevent bacterial infection. So, let's move to biological activities. First is a bactericidal activities. It kills bacteria by disrupting their cell wall, leading to the cell lysis. Second is a bacteriostatic activity. It inhibits the growth and replication of a bacteria without killing them directly, allowing the immune system to eliminate the infection. Next, we move to our pharmacology. First, absorption and distribution can be administered orally, intravenously, or intramuscularly with distribution depending on the specific antibiotic. Second is a metabolism and excretion, metabolized by the liver or kidney and excrete through the urine or feces. How about medical properties? First, antimicrobial, effective against a wide range of bacterial pathogens, including gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria. Second one is anti-inflammatory. Some antibiotics such as tetracycline possess anti-inflammatory properties. The last one is a prophylactic use. It's to prevent infection in individuals at high risk, such as before surgery. So, first is benefit to human. There are two. First is treatment of infection. It effective in treating and curing bacterial infection for reducing morbidity and mortality. The second one is surgical safety. It reduces the risk of a photoperative infection, making surgery safer. The second one is a benefit to living organism. First is animal health. It ensures the health and productivity of livestock and pet by preventing and treating bacterial infection. Second one is increased productivity. Healthier animals lead to better productivity in agriculture and aquaculture. Third is fit to industry. This control in aquaculture reduce disease outbreak in the fish farm, promoting sustainable aquaculture practices. Third is a plant health. It helps control bacterial disease in the crop, leading to better yields and reduced crop loss. And the last one is a benefit to environment. First, the most common industry is a food industry. Healthier animals mean better quality meats, dairy, and poultry products. The second one is a biotechnology. It's used in research and development for creating genetically modified organisms and studying bacteria-resistant mechanisms.
When phenol reacts, it can undergo various chemical reactions. One common reaction is the formation of phenol ions when phenol reacts with a base. This reaction can be represented as PHOH plus NOH to produce PHO minus Na plus H2O. This reaction converts phenol into its corresponding phenol ion in the presence of a base like sodium hydroxide. Another common reaction involving phenol is its reaction with bromine water. When phenol reacts with bromine water, it undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution to form 2,4,6-tribromophenols. This reaction results in the substitution of 3 bromine atoms onto the phenol ring, leading to the formation of 2,4,6-tribromophenols. So last but not least, we can conclude that phenol is a versatile chemical compound with significant application in various industries. Its distinct properties, such as its acidic nature and ability to form hydrogen bonds, and it also contributes to its effectiveness in the production of plastic, resin, and pharmaceuticals. Understanding phenol chemical reaction, particularly its electrophilic aromatic substitution, is crucial for harnessing its full potential in synthesis and manufacturing processes.